Today we celebrate him. And I'm very honored, sincerely, for all the awards I've gotten globally. This means much more than a lot to me. Sincerely. But what I pray for is, I pray that the unity and the peace and the fairness and the equity that is stood, sacrificed, and died for should be emulated. Do we really honor Zik? Last year, I was in Dubai. I also have a company there, and they had the Dubai Expo. I had the privilege of meeting most of the African heads of states. And then went to the African pavilion, where there was a history of Africa placed on a video. I purposely dragged the current president of Kenya, so let's go and see what they're saying there. Then they wasn't president, was the candidate. So I was seeing all the African leaders and formation of the OAU at that time, but one person was not well captured. And I asked the DG of the OAU, who also happened to be an Igbo man, and I said, what about Azikiwe? He said, oh, actually this was about OAU. I said, will you talk about OAU with Azik? Who gave the principles? Who gave the ideology to all the names today you are talking about? He said, oh, and I said, I'm so disappointed at you. And you're an Igbo man, in Nigerian for that matter. He said, okay, no worry, my brother, we're going to remake this video. I said, look, I feel extremely disappointed. Of course, they remade the video. They added Zik among the African nationalists, and then they created a huge portrait of him before he departed Dubai. What am I trying to say? Has Africa honored Zik enough? Has even Nigeria honored Zik enough? Answer me. Yes or no? We need more to do. But to begin first and foremost, our leaders must imbibe on the unity in diversity of Nnamdi. Our leaders must imbibe, and we, the followers too, have to among ourselves agree that we are people. That was what he stood for. He named his son Bamidele. They all had their names. Grew up in Zenguru, where there was even an eclipse on the door of his bed. And there was a Nube Muslim cleric who called him Ibrahim. So he was also called Ibrahim. From birth, it was signaled, this is a giant coming into Nigeria. The gods were merciful to us.